Welcome back to Senior Health Tips, where we help you stay strong, mobile, and independent after 60. Are your muscles getting weaker? Feeling tired or unsteady on your feet? You may be facing sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, but don't worry. Today, we're revealing the top 5 fruits that can help you rebuild muscle and fight back naturally. And yes, they're delicious, affordable, and easy to find. Let's get started. 1. Blueberries, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Blueberries aren't just sweet, they're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. Why? They help reduce inflammation in muscles, protect against oxidative stress, support muscle recovery after activity. Studies show that older adults who eat blueberries regularly recover faster and show less muscle damage after exercise. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them fresh in the morning. 2. Bananas for strength and muscle fuel. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps, magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation, natural sugars, which give quick energy before a walk or workout. Plus, the fiber in bananas supports gut health, which plays a key role in nutrient absorption and muscle repair. Perfect as a mid-morning snack or blended in a protein shake. 3. Oranges, vitamin C for muscle repair. Oranges do more than fight colds. They're high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, the protein that holds muscles and joints together. Natural hydration with over 85% water content. Potassium to prevent cramps and weakness. Vitamin C also enhances iron absorption, helping you avoid fatigue and weakness caused by low iron levels. Drink fresh orange juice or enjoy sliced oranges with breakfast. 4. Kiwi, the protein booster's best friend. Kiwi may be small, but it's mighty for muscle health. It contains vitamin C more than oranges. Vitamin E and K crucial for healing and circulation. Digestive enzymes that help absorb protein better. Remember, eating enough protein is vital, but your body also needs the right nutrients to use it effectively. Kiwi helps with just that. Eat 1 kiwi before or after your protein-rich meal. 5. Apples protect muscles at the cellular level. Apples contain a compound called ursolic acid, which research shows may help increase muscle growth, decrease muscle breakdown, improve fat to muscle ratio. Plus, apples are high in fiber, which supports blood sugar balance and digestion, both critical for seniors. Eat apples with the peel on for the most benefit. Here's how to make these fruits work for you. Combine them with a source of protein like Greek yogurt, eggs, or a plant-based smoothie. Eat a mix of these fruits throughout the week. Variety is key. Stay consistent. Small choices daily lead to lasting strength. Sarcopenia is not a life sentence. With the right food, movement, and sleep, your body can rebuild and maintain muscle even in